Guys, good afternoon. I just finished my assessment today for my application for Europe. I'm thinking about it because they required IELTS certificate. I don't have IELTS certificate. The processing amount is too much, 20,000 dirham, not included the other requirements. Kaya maybe if it's like that, I don't have that kind of amount, that big amount of money. Maybe I'll stay UAE. Unless God will use other people to help me sponsor going there. If that's part of God's plan into my life, God will make a way, like what happened when I first coming here in UAE before. Somebody sponsoring me, they get me in the Philippines and bring me here. I just have only my passport. They sponsor all the expenses, everything. Only passport I have provided, only passport. All the expenses, my first employer is the one sponsoring all that expenses my first time coming here. If that's part of God's plan and part of my purpose in life, God will make a way and God will use other people to help me sponsor going there. But if not, because I don't have, and I don't have IELTS also because they required IELTS certificate. It's expensive also if I need to review and need to pay for the exam. If I cannot pass the IELTS exam, I cannot have the certificate, and then the processing fee reaches to 20,000 dirham, and that amount not included the other requirements, the other document that we need, like the travel insurance, etc., like that. And the people, because they need the NBI from Philippines, police clearance in UAE, and also, although nice work because it's in either home care or in the hospital, but the problem is too much big amount of money. I don't have that amount of money. If I convert that into piso, more than 300,000. Anyway, I feel bored because I cannot go out. Our church service is cancelled because of there is emergency happening in Abu Dhabi in UAE this time. The government advised us to stay at home. Better to stay at home to be safe than in the road. Outside home, it's dangerous. That's why instead of doing nothing, I'm watching movie in my laptop. Anyway, guys, happy weekend. Stay safe and healthy. It's better to stay at home than there is some emergency going on in UAE this time. The government advised us to stay at home. It's better to stay at home and prepare all the important document like passport if ever there is something emergency you need to evacuate. Bye, guys. See you next time. Let's pray for us safety in UAE because there is something emergency going on. Bye.